In the next 2 minutes, you will learn how to display featured products on your homepage using Elementor. So first of all, open your homepage with Elementor and then add a new column. Inside column, add a container where you want to show your featured products. After that, search for the shortcode widget and drag and drop it inside the container. Now add this shortcode feature products. After adding this, you may notice that no products are showing yet. And the reason is that we have not selected any feature products. To fix this, go back to your WordPress dashboard and open all products. Here you will see a star icon next to each product. Simply click on the star icon for the products you want to highlight on your homepage. These will be your feature products. Once you have selected your products, go back to Elementor and update the feature product code. Now you will see that your feature products are visible on your home page. You can select multiple products and display them easily. And this is a great way to highlight your best items and increase your sales. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials.